Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to recover your account in FC Mobile. So as you can see, I have downloaded the game into my mobile phone, and once downloaded, just open the game and you will be at the home section of the home interface of the this game. And once you're here, what you can do is just click on settings, and once you click on settings, so you'll be seeing an interface like this, like gameplay, audio, link account, your UID as well. So what you can do is just click on link account on this gift emoji or icon, and once you click here, as you can see, there are multiple rewards and multiple options through which you can link your account. Either you want to link it with Facebook, with EA account, with Game Center, or with Apple account. So let's say that you have a guest account, so you can recover or link account with any of it, and you will be able to recover your account. Or let's say that you have logged in through your Facebook, and now you want to recover your account without Facebook. So you must link your account either with the Game Center or with the Apple before you proceed to any other login method. As you can see, these are the only methods that are available in the FC Mobile through which you can link your account. Either you must link it with the EA account, with the Facebook like Game Center, or with the Apple account. So once you link your account with any of it, what you can do is just delete or log out from your account and log in again with your Apple ID or your Facebook, and you will be able to log in your account. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can recover your account in FC Mobile.